welcome back to the channel. This footage was recorded June 13th. We're leaving Carrollton, Georgia, headed up to Washington, D.C. for the 250th anniversary of the Army celebration. I'm riding along in our DC-3 here, known as Chalk 40 with Liberty Foundation. I volunteer primarily as a mechanic, but try to fly when I can. Uh, you see footage here from my buddy, record our takeoff here. Weather wasn't really all that great. It was pretty much IFR all the way up, just over 3.5 hours of flying. Kind of had to dodge some buildups and get around some weather, but overall it was manageable. It wasn't too bad at all. Had a couple pilots with us, and one of them brought their son, so he's up there flying, and I got some stick time too up there as well. So, and overall, just uneventful journey getting up there. If you're not familiar with the airports around DC, we flew into Washington Dulles. It's a main runway is oriented north and south, so we're coming in from the north landing 19 left. We landed long on purpose. We were going to the Stephen Udvar-Hazy Museum. Some people know it as just the Smithsonian Museum that's at the Dulles Airport there. As you may know, it's on the very far south side of the airport, and since we're coming from the north, we just landed long so we could shorten our taxi time. That's our pilot, John Hess. He does a good job landing the airplane as he always does. During this time, I was just aware of the DC flyover that we were going to do for the Army celebration, but as we pulled into the museum here, I noticed all these different airplanes, including the German A400 uh, that was there, as well as a lot more warbirds than I was expecting. You can see RP-51 Old Crow is here with us. After we landed, we all went to the hotel, got settled in, got changed, and we came back to the museum where we were treated to a personal tour of the restoration hangar, which was great. But unfortunately, I can't share any pictures. But during that time, we got to see the NOAA P3 come in and taxi in, shut down. And the museum treated us to a dinner on the museum floor. We got to walk around the museum a bit, uh, had the whole place to ourselves. So kind of walked around and see things that I didn't get to see the last time I was here. Food is great. We had some guest speakers, including the director of the museum. And then afterwards, we wandered a bit more, and I got a couple good shots of the space shuttle. Great opportunity since no one was there to get in the way of the photo. So it was a really great moment. The next day was the Family Day event, which I'm going to talk about in the second part of the video that I'll upload here pretty soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.